Markslen, oh, he's gonna slide, oh. Yay! Nice, Markslen. Hey, baby girl. Aleida. Crossing the bridge. Very good, Aleida. Yeah. Very good. Walking, Aleida, oh. Go, Aleida. Cross the bridge. Cross the bridge.
Look, step back. Come here. Let her walk across.
Markslen. You're close, Aleida. Slide! Yay! Very good, Markslen. Oh, Markslen, very good, oh. Oh, go down, Markslen, go down. Here.
Look at
Here.
me.
Okay.
I can do it without. I can do it like this.
Without hands?
Yeah.
Without holding? Good.
And now down.
Okay, go down.
Wait.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
Hey, boy. Yeah. Head first, Maya. Head first.
Ma, let's race.
There is Maya. Okay, Maya. Race. 1, 2, go. It's a tie. Oh, you have the same dress?
No,
Yeah.
they look different.
Same clothes? Not dress, but
She has,
same tank tops.
She has this and
Oh,
he
okay.
has
So
that.
Maya is wearing a skirt. It's okay. Yay! Sliding. Maya and Aleida. You have the same wings, Maya?
Yeah.
You and Aleida, oh. Similar wings. And tank tops.
Get all of your baby.
Very good, Markslen, oh. Like a soldier. Very good, Markslen. Slide, Markslen, slide. Oh, very good, oh. Maya, oh.
My chest is when I left and loose.
How was it, Mami Rhea? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
All right,
Mommy.
right on.
Do you know?
You gonna ride the bike, Hulyan? There is Hulyan riding his bike. Hulyan. One more loop, Hulyan. Okay. Enjoy.
Time to go, guys.
Wait.
Hey, boy. Good. Okay.
Yeah.
Look. Rocket pop. Okay, Maya. Watermelon.
That's
What's yours, Hulyan?
it's
What?
look here.
Oh, mango. Okay. Watermelon for Markslen. Watermelon for Markslen. Yeah. Yummy.
Okay, for Markslen.
That looks yummy, Maya. Yay. Yummy. Yummy, Maya? Mm-hmm. Good, Markslen? Yummy? Markslen, oh. Good, Hulyan?
It's mango.
Mango?
Hulyan and Maya.
Hey, Markslen!
Hello.
Ooh, Kite!
Yeah, Kite.
Ooh, Disney cars?
Yeah, I
Lightning
prefer
McQueen?
this one. But Marcel wants this one, so I can have it.
Markslen likes the Disney Cars 3?
Yeah.
Hey, is that, what's her name again?
Cross Mountain.
What?
I don't know.
No, the yellow car.
I forgot.
The girl. Oh yeah, Cruz Ramirez. What, Maya? Okay, do it.
Yeah.
Markslen, you're gonna fly it? You're gonna fly a kite? A Disney Cars kite? And what is that again? Ooh, Dory. Finding Dory.
Finding Hulyan.
Finding Hulyan. Hey boy, how are you?
Good.
That's nice to know. What? What's the first step, Maya?
You do it like that for the stick, and then I think you put this.
You connect that string to the kite? What? Aleida is here. Okay, Mommy, attach that string. I see Nemo. Is that
I
Nemo?
wanna fly this, yeah.
And Dory.
No, it's fine. You can use
You're gonna fly it, Hulyan?
Yes.
Okay.
Look at all the string.
Yeah. Finding Dory. Yay. Okay. Hulyan, oh. Go, Maya. Ow.
I want to fly this one.
Hulyan, that's not how you fly a kite, you know.
Fly it then.
Okay, Disney Cars 3. Yay.
Flying it right at
You're gonna fly it? Okay, you share with Markslen, okay?
I'll go first since mine's bigger.
Cruz Ramirez and Lightning McQueen. There you go, Cruz Ramirez and Lightning McQueen. Okay. Florida 500. Florida International Speedway. It's okay, guys.
Where's it? No, hold the kite. It's here.
Maya, don't follow Mommy.
Oh, okay.
Make the string longer. Maya, put it higher. There you go. Okay, let go. Go, Mommy. You know what to do. There you go. See? The kite is flying. Good job. Maya, you can fly it now. The kite. You can hold the string. There you go, Hulyan.
Full speed ahead!
Now just relax, Hulyan. Oh!
Crash landing!
Ready, Hulyan? Okay. Good job. Okay, just relax. You don't need to run. Now make the string longer, Hulyan. It's flying. Okay, Hulyan, look. Oh, make the string longer.
Alright, so you do like this.
Good job, Hulyan.
So high!
Yeah, it's so high now. Awesome job, Hulyan. Mommy, Markslen, and Maya. No, don't make it land, Hulyan. Make it higher. Higher. A Finding Dory kite. And Hulyan is the pilot. He's flying it. Where is Mommy? There is Mommy. Okay, Disney Cars 3 kite. Cruz Ramirez. Okay. Wait, Mommy. Okay. Okay, I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it.
I don't know, but
Yeah, the wind is not that strong today, huh?
yeah. Well, I think last time we crashed it into the tree. Was it because it was like too much air, or we had a small yard?
Small space. Yeah. You have to go to an open field like this, Hulyan.
But when you get tired, it's gonna go all the way back down. Unless you get enough energy to fly again.
Right, right. You're tired, Hulyan?
Yeah. Hey, look, popsicles big.
Hey, look at Mommy, oh.
But
She's flying a kite.
When I was doing it, I went higher than her.
Yeah, I know, huh?
I went way higher.
Uh-huh.
But not as high as a jet. That would be impossible.
Okay, finally, there's a wind. Yay! What are you doing, Maya? Looking for something? A bug or something? Good job, guys! Good job! Finding Dory. Disney Cars 3. Good job, guys. Good job, Hulyan.
Oh, look at the stingray, people! See the stingrays? Oh, I think I touched you.
How was it, Hulyan?
Fun!
Fun? You're too sweaty.
Yeah.
Are you ready to ride your bike?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Whoa, look at all the
Oh,
rocks.
there's the kite.
Yep, it crash landed it. Perfectly fine, because it's a kite. Kites, they're good at crash landing.
The kites?
Yeah, because they like it. They are good at crash landing.
Okay.
'Cause, you know, like they just like float all the way back to the bottom like a leaf.
Yeah.
You know, like